Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 best filing codes. Did you just install it filing on your device but cannot find any good code? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I'm going to show you top 5 best filing codes with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, FireTV Lite and FireTV Cube. Before we start the installation steps, let's start with a brief introduction. What is Filelinked? Filelinked is also known as the Droid Admin, is a free application that offers multiple downloads at the same time. People use to upload their files on their servers and they given them a code that works as a link. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more videos on Firestick. So let's start video. So the first code is 23119623. After type code, then click on next button. And these are all codes work without any pin. And in this code you will get some app store and also free live TV apps that includes BTV, Aptoide, IPVanish, Catmouse, Cyberflix, Cinema HD, Freeflix HQ, Live TV, Mediabox HD, MX Player Pro, Mouse Tangle and many more apps. And if you want to download any app on your Amazon Fire Stick device, just click on the right side download button and app will automatic download. Sometime it will depend on your internet speed. So the MX player has been downloaded. Now click on right side play button for installing MX player, and here you will get installation section. So click on install. And MX player has been installed on Fire Stick. So click on done button. Let's move for the next code. So the second code is 67664537. This code is without any pin. Once again 67664537. And now click on next button and click on continue. And in this code you will get best suitable for free TV apps that contain Noah TV, TTV, TV Join, Zini TV, Unlock My TV, Vidmax, Onebox HD, 123 Movie, Media Long, Free Live Cable Website, Kodi 18.7, Typhoon TV, Dream TV, Music TV, TV Hunt, Fast Movie, Cinema Box, and many more streaming apps. So the next one code is 74747474. After type code, click on next button and click on continue. This is a multi-purpose code that contains media player as well as live TV apps. In this code you will get VLC player, MX Pro player, perfect downloader, Amazon Prime, Typhoon TV, Kodi and many more. Number 4 code is 51829986. Once again, 51829986. Now click on next button and click on continue. This code is powered by streaming and take now. Here you will get the app mostly for live TV. These contains Grace Live, Surfshark VPN, PI VPN, Real Debit 123 Movies, BTV, Cartoon HD, Cinema HD, Flex HD, Fast Movies, Film Rise, Film Z, Freeflix TVs, and many more apps. So the last code is 27256340. Now click on next button and click on continue. And this file in code you will get many sort of apps. Will you find ES File Explorer, Aptoid, APK Time, Background Process APK, ABD Shell, Ad Blocker, MX Player, VLC Player, Lidio Player, AM Player, Stream Digital Media Center, Free Anime, YouTube app, Fast Movie APK and many more apps. Alright guys, these are all codes that I have to share in this video, and I hope this video was really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any kinds of question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.